Well, hi, good morning. So again, this should be a new trading day where we are now talking about a 200 trading point range. The bets in the derivative market, those actually have narrowed down to almost 10,000, 10,200. So the point here is that the range of 10,000, 10,500 is still intact, which means if we are crossing 10,120 and then 10,200, then we basically would be looking towards 10,450 and 500. So right now, why actually the range has narrowed down? Because there is no major increase in terms of sectoral participation. But broadly, I would just like to highlight that metals, oils are actually seeing strong buying. So in terms of metals, again, the results from Tata Steel, they have been very good. Hindalco, in terms of Novalis results, which contribute more than 50% EBITDA, that is actually very good. So that tells me that metals and oils, because oil again, because IOC, HPCL, those have been seeing good buying. So overall, oil metals, they are showing good signs, good buying. Then the third point comes here is the bank Nifty is not looking that bad, but then the participation is not that actually broad based across the board, across the banks. So perhaps you have to be selective in terms of the bank Nifty, but bank Nifty is not showing you signs of selling. It's broadly trading in the range of 24,320, 25,200. So that range has been maintained, and so far it continues to trade in the upper end of that range. So that's giving me actually signs of comfort here. Then we actually from Nifty, we just if you want the support resistance, then 9950 again continues to be the good support for the markets. On the upper side, 10,120, 140, and then from there you move to 10,350. So those are the levels you can actually watch out for. Now in terms of where was the buying scene or selling scene, pharma stocks again, and I told you last time they actually were looking actually good to fall 3 to 5%. They started falling, then some sort of value buying started coming in, but that's a value buying, the buying comes and there is no follow-up buying. So right now the stocks could correct further. It has to be seen if again the buying keeps on coming. So perhaps the stock will be actually moving some 3 to 4% down and then again coming back to these levels. So that could be the trend here. Then apart from that, basically if you look in terms of aviation, jet aviation basically was showing good signs of accumulation. Then if you look in terms of stocks like PFC, REC, those stocks actually were looking quite good. And then again, if you look in terms of again stocks like Urban, Apollo Tires, PC Jewelers, they all actually were showing good signs of accumulation. So perhaps those are the stocks which you should keep an eye for. And also just remember stocks like HPCL and again some sort of buying in IOC, those stocks perhaps could be still holding out in terms of what they could be offering as a value. So overall, broadly, markets are looking fine. In terms of stocks which you should be watching out for would be Tata Steel, Hindalco, Vedanta, HPSL, IOC, PFC, REC, Arvind, PC Jewelers. So those are the stocks which could continue to outperform. So have a good trading day, and I'll see you later.